Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we're going to show you a common problem and how to fix that on any vehicle. If your OBD port scanner port does not work, we'll show you how to fix it. We've seen people remove those on purpose sometimes. Okay, so you cannot access the port, or shops. I've seen read stories about that actually online, dealers doing that, so you cannot do anything to the car. And as you can see, okay, I have that OBD scanner connected here. Okay, you can see that's where our port is located, and the device does not power on at all. So let us show you guys how to fix that. You need to go ahead, find the manual of your car, and you need to locate where the fuse box is located. And under the fuse box, guys, okay, you need to find the one that says onboard diagnostic connector. Okay, right here. In our case it's fuse number 5. It can say OBD instead of onboard. It might say just OBD connector, OBD port, or sometimes, not very common, but sometimes it will be under auxiliary power points, the one that you charge your phone, you know, plug your cigarette lighter and things like that. So check this one and check the onboard. Most of the times, okay, that will be the cause of it. So in our case, okay, I'm going to demonstrate it when we replace it with a new fuse, how that's going to fix the problem. So stay with us and you see how simple that is. So fuse number 5, okay, in our case, okay, it's this one right here, and we have a smaller 10 amp fuse, but it actually is supposed to be 15 by the manual. Okay, you can see the old one is burned. We're going to go ahead, okay, put the new one in place, okay, like that, and I'm not going to even stop the video now, okay, without turning even the key on. Sometimes you have to turn the key on depending on the vehicle. We have communication. Check it out now. You see, it's still connected just the same way, and it's powering up. We have communication with the computer. So that's how you fix that, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and many more videos to come.